All right, let's begin doing our lines for our angles. So that for the protractor. So we're going to start by doing the 10-degree lines around. So you're going to need to go to the freehand tool right here, and so you're going to go to the 2-point line. Click that, and you can go to the node right here, and then you can stretch it all the way out to the end where the quadrant is, and that'll be that line. Now go to your selector tool, and you're going to click on it again to get these little circles, arrows. You're going to grab the center dot and drag it all the way to here because we want to rotate this line around this center. So this is now going to be the center of my rotation when I rotate this line. Okay, so then you can go out there, go back to the selector. You can select it. So you've got, now you want the line actually. So you got the squares, and go to the windows and the dockers because you want to go to the transformation screen, which is right up here, transform. You're going to click on that, and it brings up the transformation screen, and we're going to be on rotations, second one over, and we want to rotate at 10-degree angles. Okay, so we want all the 10-degree angles, and we want 17 of them because we don't need the last 180-degree angle because that's where the cut line is going to be anyways. So it's going to cut on there. So we don't need that one. And we're going to end up deleting this first one when we're done, but we're going to do 17 of them right now. And if you click apply, you'll see you're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way around. You get 17. And if you zoom in, right now I'm at 200%, but if I zoom in, you can see that last one is right here at 10 degrees to here, and you've got your 10-degree angles. Okay, so that's getting the 10-degree angles. Then we want to get the 5-degree angles halfway between each one. So before we do that, let's go back and click on this one, the original, and just backspace or delete it. We don't need that one on there. It's going to be the cut line of our protractor. Anyway, so that'll be our 0 marker. We'll put a 0 in there. I'm going to go to the fit right here so it like fits it in. Actually, no, let's go back to 200. We need a little bit of space. We need to draw little 5-degree markers. So we're going to need to go back to our line tool, the 2-point line again, and draw a line probably about that length. Okay, that we want to put, go back to your selector and put that right on top of the edge to where it goes right to the quadrant. Okay, that's a little too far. I need to go back to its right. We don't want it there. Okay, go back to where it says center. So right in here is fine. That's going to be our 5-degree line. We could even bring it to that part. Yeah, so now it's right there. That's going to be our 5-degree line. Okay, now zoom back out a little bit so you can see it. I'm going to click on it again, and I'm going to click on it again to get those arrows, and I get my center, and I'm going to drag that center all the way back to the center of my protractor. We're going to need to rotate this line around this same center point. This time, we are going to do it in 5-degree increments. So we want to do 5 of them, 5 degrees. And we want to do 36 of them. No, 36 of them would be the whole thing. We want to do like 34 of them. And then hit apply. No, we wanted 35. So let's undo that. We want 35, one short of 36. Because 36 would be all the way around. We don't need the one that's going to be on the red. That's going to be the cut line. So we just want 35 of them. That'll put us right in there. And we can come back to this one and delete it because we don't need that one. So now you've got your 10-degree lines that you rotated around the center of your protractor, and then you got your 5-degree lines. On the next video, I'll show you how to do the 1-degree lines.